Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV. All of the Crosses girl them.
Sing to them. Man, bag them face and there with them. Bag them face. Me a pretty girl. A man proud of look for me. I miss the wife and the life. I miss the you. No man no want some girl, you know. I bet them hate me. Come and wife me and life me. Yeah. Yeah.
Boy, too big song that too a bigger song that other than poor people, you know what I mean?
I been sing them for. So when a man sing to a woman, it's written in the book of life. It's written in the book of life. I mean, no arguments. I mean, I'm the angel the first lady of dancehall. I mean, no argument, DJ Arville. I mean, no argument, fans them.
So Angel, let me ask you something. You take him back when them sing them song there?
You mean take him back?
Yeah.
At the time when him sing them song, me and him did a pull up, you know. We did a pull up.
Yeah.
And not even singing couldn't get me back. Not even singing couldn't get me back. I couldn't bother. After a while, I just say, I don't care. Sing all you want. Sing till the throat dry. I'm not interested.
After the man got pretty tender grass and Beaver Bryson and...
Yeah, it was too late. Too late. It was too late. Yeah.
You're wicked, you know. No one you're wicked.
Spanish Town. Spanish Clown. DJ Marlon. Spanish Town. One badness. You what say?
Brought him out here and you heard him,
One angel. Spanish Town, Spanish Clown. Right there where I come from. Spain Town badness. What you say?
Opa Jesus.
Big up everybody who want to come from, you know, but me come from Spain Town. I represent from where I come from. I want to say big up to everybody for the live. I represent where you come from. Yeah, my sister said it was too late. Sarah, Jackie said too late. Too late. 10 out of 10. Yeah, look for you, so. 10 out of 10. Some girl are 0 out of 0.
Okay, so now why me say why so the bad blood, cause you know what I mean? Me see what I go on. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, I eat Razor. I make them have me up. I eat.
You know, take
I eat. Cause you sing and me never come back. I eat.
Yeah, you know, take a genius to figure it out. You see what I go on.
Right, Razor, why you say eat me? Why you say eat me?
No, are you just say why you hate you? Some of the say
Because you're afraid I am. You're afraid I am.
No. Nobody still say. You know, say the thing about it is me not afraid of nobody.
But what? So why you hate me? You say two what?
No, you say you sing. You say artist sing a song. You understand? And pour out him art and sing one song and it never work and sing another one and it never work. So I mean that matter too. If me sing 2 songs for a woman like that, me I pour out my art and sound like Beaver Bryson and we name there. We name here.
Yes, me 6 100 out of 100.
Then me must me lose my mind.
Mad out. Jackie say 100 out of 100. Full stop. Me a the body change and me no fear none at all. Every day them get up happy me name them a call. If them a call me name them a feel good. Let me tell you something. Sting is a platform for me to go and perform and sing my song and just shell the whole place, you know? That's it. I'm just gonna go to Sting and do a show. If everything finalized, I'm just gonna go to Sting and just do a show and just perform for my fans. Yo, at 10 years me no go Sting, you know? 10 years me no go Sting. 10 full years. 10 and the fans, them everybody I say, we want Angie, because they know what I bring to the table. I'm a performer extraordinaire, and I'm just going to come there and do a great show, you know, and it's, you know, that's it. I mean, everything else is just noise. Everything else don't matter, you know.
Hey, sing on one normal stage, you know, that's singing on the boy, you know.
I mean, I perform a lot of hardcore shows, so I mean, I'm beyond qualified for such a staging, because you know.
You sing crowd and I want normal crowd, but you can't angle yourself and keep yourself, you know what I mean?
I can't angle myself. Mr. Kylie, me have downtown girl long time and I eat. Me been up downtown girl. That was the strugglest part of my career, Kylie. That was the strugglest part of my career. Boy. It is rough. Bittersweet. It good and rough, may I tell you. It rough. Because I have to prove myself that I'm a bona fide legitimate artist. So when you survive those 2 strong contenders in the music space, you have a space. I mean, I have shelf life, and I've proven myself beyond doubt. I mean, there's no doubt in terms of when me I go bring to Sting table. I mean, come on. I mean, I'm the angel, you know, please.
Oh, Jesus.
Can somebody investigate and let us know?
With a catalog. The angel with a catalog. You understand? And can perform. So, I mean, that's what it is.
I never plan for ghosting that year, but once
I mean, say stronger. Yeah, I mean, say stronger. You know that already. Cheers
Yeah.
to people who are strong. Cheers to people up on the life who are strong in their life and I make nothing tear you down. And you have to stand up and fight for your own. Me fight for my own, you know. Me fight for my own. You understand? So I'm not going to make nobody come push me down. Because I fought, I fight, I fight. I fight, I fight. They know this.
So on a different note, you gonna do your you call it now? Back to the treat.
Yeah, oh yeah. Me treat on December 23rd for the elderly and children. Yes, RazorB. I am working so hard on that. We have like 1,000 family to feed, elderly and children, so I can't be distracted, you know. I have to have a tunnel vision because the focus is bigger than just the noise in the market. So I'm really working hard. Now I have barrel for collect tomorrow. Persons who want to support the drive and the mission for charity for this Christmas, feel free to do so. You can send me a DM. You can call me on 877. You can call me on 876, sorry, 288-8047. Either a pound of flour, a pound of rice, it can help. A bag of flour, a bag of rice. I don't want a pound, because 1,000 families may try to help this Christmas. Because the rough of Jamaica is tough. People them down here and them have it very, very, very hard. I want to say thanks to Joan and our Christian family. You know, it's for Joan. For Joan that always on the live.
Yeah.
She and her Christian family from some part of Canada, they sent a donation. I want to say thank you so much to Joan and our Christian community. And everybody else that has been donating. RazorB, can you believe you said the GoFundMe only have $60 in there? $60.
I don't know if you tell you say, man. Right?
Sorry, I didn't even make it. You're going to see it. You're going to see it happen.
Sorry,
I not even watch that Razor. If I watch that, I never do it.
Cool. Every me come up, because sometimes I tell you that year has been a rough year for a lot of persons, so that's for the still rush in now.
I mean, it's not even, I know some persons are last minute. So we have different ways and means to go on different platforms to increase the awareness, but it's gonna happen. No matter how you go, no matter how you walk, it's always challenging for me to give back. It's always a challenge. Anything to deal with any form of negativity, people always more aware of that and create all this excitement and ready to blast and share and whatever. When you're doing something positive and you're giving back to the community, you know, see people well want to donate, but them ready to go this and then ready to do everything else, but just to donate and give $1 and think it's hard. But I'm fine. Angels Foundation continues, and December 23rd is the big drive where we're giving 1,000 care package and nobody and nothing can stop it. You understand what I say? God give thanks to everybody that has been supporting, and we have quite a few sponsors that's coming on board, that's always on board every year, and the people them who continue to give to the foundation. Thank you so much. Nothing can stop this. Focus, focus, focus.
Yeah.
Every year I do it, sis. Every year I do it. No matter how challenging, every year it gets more challenging. I'm still do it same way. I can't watch that.
We're there for the support, man. We're there, you know what I mean? You're looking for volunteers.
You're always there. But when you come from 1 week before, come help pack it back them.
No, yeah.
1 week.
Volunteers, you're looking for volunteers too.
But why volunteer? But why you can help me? You want help me? You.
Give me help.
I know you will help, man. I know you will. When you go help pack it back them, Razor, please I beg you.
Yeah, man. Every year I did that, man.
Mm-hmm.
Police up on the road, I want to tap me and come tell me about give me no ticket. I can't give no ticket in a Christmas anime. I tell you got you. So if you
alright then, I'm gonna make a go on now, cause we talk what they want here, I'm sure. So them hear what they want here. Yeah, that's all they want here at Christmas. They don't want anything else.
Yeah, man. Somebody will get burned up at Christmas, yeah, man.
Somebody get burned up. I don't know who you know, but somebody get burned up. You know me.
Yeah, man. Somebody will get burned up.
You know me. Somebody get burned up. I have 2 coffee, you know. I have about 2 coffee over Perry. When you pick them up for me.
Alright, no problem. I have a truck. I just buy a truck too, so I can pick them up.
I lie. Good, every brother.